Hey everybody, Gadget and I are out. Both of us kind of got a little cabin fever. It's a little chilly. We really don't have a lot of time to go out for overnights or anything like that. So we decided to, we both got new toys, and so we're headed out just to Croft State Park. Gonna go out and just play around with them a little bit, see what we find, and do maybe I think it's a 5-mile loop. 5.5 mile loop. So thanks for coming along. See you in a bit. Okay, so we are walking on the beach trail right now. It's I don't know, 3.5 mile loop, I think. And came across a sign on the tree that it says, you know, please remain on the trail, yada yada yada. And then in smaller print, it says that this park used to be an Army training facility, and that they're recommending you to stay on the trails because there's possible munitions, live munitions still in the park. And then it goes on to warn you, you know, if you find something, don't touch it, please notify the authorities, da da da. And I'm like, is that the coolest or what? Anyway, it says something that the areas that are used for public use have received extra special treatment as far as trying to locate munitions. But I just thought that was kind of interesting. So be careful when you go out and try to find a tree, you know, to relieve yourself. So. Alright, so we just came across this enormous blowdown. I guess you could call it a blowdown, I guess. I don't know if you can see how really big it is. But yeah, you can see it goes all the way back there. But that is what we're supposed to go through now. We're going to go check it out and see if we are able to get through it. Looks like it, but should be fun. Kind of bushwhacked through all that blowdown and that big tree that just fell, and that's kind of what we're looking at right now. Looks like more climbing over. There's another big blowdown. You can see somebody's been out here working, cutting them out of the way. Yeah. Okay, so we're on the other side of the gully, and if you can see through those trees or not, but that's what we just hiked through, and you can just see so many blowdowns. Really, and some really big ones too, which was really, really sad. Okay, so we were just talking, she was just showing how this tree, how it's cracked on top and laying across the other one, and we were just talking about how random some of them break, and where they break, how random that is. You can see a couple of them are at the same length, same height, but this one seems to be a lot taller. I just came across some ruins up here. There's a couple fireplaces. There's another fireplace just 100 yards behind us. There's some steps that went to the front door, probably. And there's two kind of brick pillars, maybe the front gate or something, but out here in the middle of nowhere, somebody had some homesteads up here. Okay, so when we started out, we were going to do this big long loop, which was supposed to be 6.5 miles. But we got hiking and taking pictures and realized we weren't going to have enough time to do that, so we just did this kind of shorter loop right here. We thought it would take us near the lake, which turns out it doesn't, even though it looks like it on the map. But it was a nice hike, and total it was 3.5? Yeah. About 3.5 miles, and it was a great hike. Now for some coffee.